Allergies. Allergies are immune system responses triggered by exposure to substances called allergens. The immune system perceives these allergens as harmful and releases chemicals, such as histamines, to combat them. Nature and types of allergies. Seasonal allergies. Also known as hay fever or allergic rhinitis, these allergies occur during specific seasons when certain plants release pollen into the air. Common triggers include tree pollen, grass pollen, and weed pollen. Symptoms may include sneezing, nasal congestion, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, and itching of the throat or ears. Food allergies occur when the immune system reacts to specific proteins in certain foods. Common food allergens include peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, wheat, soy, fish, and shellfish. Symptoms can range from mild reactions, such as hives or itching, to severe and life-threatening reactions known as anaphylaxis. Some individuals may develop allergic reactions to certain medications, such as antibiotics, penicillin, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, or anticonvulsants. Symptoms can vary and may include rashes, hives, itching, swelling, respiratory difficulties, or even anaphylaxis. Insect sting allergies. Allergic reactions can occur in response to insect stings or bites from bees, wasps, hornets, or fire ants. For individuals allergic to insect venom, a sting can trigger severe reactions, including swelling, itching, hives, difficulty breathing, and in rare cases, anaphylaxis. Many people are allergic to the dander, skin flakes, saliva, or urine of certain animals. Common animal allergens include cats, dogs, horses, rodents, and birds. Symptoms may include sneezing, nasal congestion, itching, watery eyes, coughing, or wheezing. Allergic contact dermatitis. This type of allergy occurs when the skin comes into direct contact with allergenic substances like certain metals, e.g., nickel, cosmetics, fragrances, latex, or certain plants, e.g., poison ivy, and manifests as a rash, itching, redness, or blisters. Allergic asthma is a type of asthma triggered by allergens such as pollen, dust mites, pet dander, mold spores, or certain foods. In addition to typical asthma symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath, allergic asthma also involves an allergic response. If you suspect you have an allergy, it's advisable to consult with a Frequent or repetitive sneezing is a common symptom of allergies, particularly seasonal allergies or allergic rhinitis. Runny or stuffy nose. Allergies can cause an increase in nasal mucus production, leading to a runny nose, rhinorrhea, or nasal congestion. Itchy or watery eyes. Allergic reactions often affect the eyes, causing itching, redness, and excessive tearing. Allergies can trigger itchiness, often accompanied by a rash or hives, raised, itchy bumps on the skin. Persistent coughing, particularly when associated with other allergy symptoms, may indicate an allergic response. Allergies can cause inflammation and constriction of the airways, leading to wheezing, a whistling sound while breathing. Severe allergic reactions, such as anaphylaxis or allergic asthma, can result in difficulty breathing or shortness of breath. Allergies can cause swelling, particularly in the face, lips, tongue, or throat. This symptom requires immediate medical attention, as it may indicate a severe allergic reaction. Allergies can manifest as skin reactions, including redness, swelling, itchiness, or hives. In some cases, allergies can cause gastrointestinal symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, or diarrhea. Allergic reactions can sometimes lead to fatigue or a feeling of being generally unwell.